start with a pretty simple plank exercise. Put your hands down on the mat, and that's all you're doing is moving down onto your elbows and back up onto your hands, but without wiggling your hips. Keep your core tight and your back straight, and vary the arm you're using to push up and down on, and your bum down as well. Okay, so there's another plank variation up next. This time the side plank hip drop. So start with your shoulder on the mat and just gently raise your hip up and down. The most important thing here is your shoulder, your hip, your ankles are all forming a straight line. You can put your shoulder, put your elbow down for stability. You can put your hand down if you want a bit more support. You're looking for 12 to 20 reps before switching it up to the other side. Okay, so we're staying down on the mat for alternating single leg lowers, a nice easy one to remember. Keeping your back pushed into that mat, and you're just lowering your legs. If you do want to vary it, then you can extend the right leg, left arm, and vice versa. And we're looking for 8 to 15 of these.